Starting a small-scale manufacturing business has never been easier, thanks to affordable machines available on Amazon. These tools can help you create products and generate income from home or a small workspace. Here are 25 options to kickstart your journey. 1. Heat press machine. Create custom t-shirts, mugs, and hats for a personalized merchandise business. 2. 3D printer. Manufacture custom 3D objects like prototypes, jewelry, or home decor items. 3. Laser engraver. Engrave designs on wood, metal, glass, and acrylic for unique gifts. 4. Button maker machine. Produce custom buttons for businesses, events, or personal use. 5. Desktop CNC machine. Manufacture parts and designs from metal, wood, or plastic for DIY crafts. 6. Soap making machine. Simplify the soap making process and launch a handmade soap business. 7. Candle making kit. Automate candle production for high-demand home decor products. 8. Food dehydrator. Start a snack business making dried fruits, vegetables, or jerky. 9. Coffee roasting machine. Roast and package coffee beans for local or online markets. 10. Compact sewing machine. Produce custom clothing or textile products with ease. 11. Screen printing kit. Print designs on clothing, tote bags, or posters for the fashion or art markets. 12. Essential oil distiller. Extract essential oils from plants to sell as fragrances or skincare products. 13. Chocolate tempering machine. Make premium chocolates for gifts or retail. 14. Mini brewery kit. Brew craft beer or beverages for local sales. 15. Vinyl cutting machine. Design and cut vinyl stickers or decals for businesses and home decor. 16. Ice cream maker. Produce artisanal ice creams for local events or retail. 17. Jewelry polishing machine. Polish handmade or custom jewelry pieces for resale. 18. Leather cutting machine. Create leather goods like wallets, belts, and bags. 19. Capsule filler. Manufacture supplements or herbal capsules for the wellness market. 20. Compact pottery wheel. Create ceramic goods like pots, vases, and decorative items. To start your small-scale manufacturing business, identify your niche, purchase equipment, and market your products. Scale gradually and reinvest profits. With the right machine and creativity, you can build a thriving business. Explore these machines on Amazon and turn your ideas into reality.